Domestic swimming pool service and maintenance, Sydney Northern Beaches. Be your own boss and enjoy a fantastic work-life balance with this established pool service and maintenance business. Most clients have been with the business since its launch over 16 years ago, ensuring constant income and good cash flow. Already successful and operating primarily on Sydney's northern beaches, there is no shortage of work should the buyer choose to expand. Work outside in some of the city's most spectacular locations, with no expensive premises required. Expanding beyond its original catchment, the job list now includes clients with multiple properties. Currently, all advertising is via word of mouth, so increased marketing would pay dividends for a savvy buyer. The current owner is relocating, giving the new owner of Lapis Pools free rein to grow and prosper.